this is for Kate on Twitter. She's asked me for hot cross buns, and I did hot cross buns last year, but I look back at the video and it is so bad I couldn't put it up there again. But I like to put a non-sticky glaze on my hot cross buns because they're nice fresh, but then the next day if you want to toast them, the glaze, if they've got a sticky glaze, it burns on the toaster. So these are great. Let me show you. I've written you a really detailed recipe for this. Basically, I've got all my wet ingredients together, and then I put my flour and the salt in the bowl of my mixer and bring the whole lot together into a fairly shaggy dough before I add my fruit, and then I let the machine do the rest of the mixing, turn it out onto a floured surface and just finish kneading until it's nice and smooth. Put it in a greased bowl covered with grease cling film. I leave it to prove in the oven just with the light on, and then once it's risen, then I divide it into 12 equal pieces, about 80 grams a piece. And then here I'm showing you how to form a bread bun. I take each piece and then fold it in on itself, do you see, turn it over, and then use my hand as a cup to sort of spin it round underneath, and you'll find that the bun then forms itself. And once you've had a few practices, you'll see how easy it is to do. And then these will prove 6 to a tray for about 45 minutes, again in the oven just with the light on. This is my non-sticky glaze. It's egg white just with sugar, which I paint over those proved buns, put my flour and water crosses over the top. These will bake about 15 minutes, and these are so beautifully tasty, lovely, squashy, soft hot cross buns.